By now, AI is a term you've likely come across, but what impact does it really have? It's a constant topic in the media, yet it seems our daily lives remain largely unaffected. Are you curious about the true capability of this technology? Let me take you through just how advanced AI has become. Before we jump in, I've got a small favor to ask. If you enjoy what you are about to see, please consider subscribing to my channel, hitting that like button, and sharing this video. It's a huge help in growing my channel. Alright, now let's dive in. Check this out, controlling a cooking robot just with your brain signals. In this Twitter post, someone wears a simple cap, which is connected through a neural link to a robotic arm, and the robotic arm does all the cooking. No complicated surgery required to make this connection. Now think bigger. In the future, this technology could handle a lot of household chores like dishwashing, laundry, and tidying up. The possibilities are truly limitless, and it will be a lifesaver. Number 2. Here's another fascinating example. Someone harnessed the power of ChatGPT to create a virtual yoga instructor. Thanks to its advanced visual capabilities, this AI can actually analyze and correct your yoga positions and gestures.
Hey GPT, am I doing this position right?
Your knees are overly bent, causing a hunch. Straighten them slightly and align your head atop your spine as if a string is pulling you up from the crown.
It's incredibly useful. Just imagine the potential here. This kind of technology is set to revolutionize the world of sports and fitness. Take a look at this innovation, a website plugin called Screenshot and Ask. It's a quite breakthrough. You can take a screenshot of anything on a web page, send it to ChatGPT without needing to provide any context, and get a precise explanation of what it is. Imagine you are studying or curious about human anatomy or car parts. Just snap a screenshot and it will identify the part for you. This tool is not just handy, it's revolutionizing how we learn and access information. Here's another exciting development, a Webcam GPT. Look at this, a person used this webcam integrated with GPT technology to recognize not just objects, but also the sequence of actions a person is performing. This means ChatGPT is not just observing, it's understanding and describing objects and movements in real time. This one is really cool. Believe it or not, we now have a sports commentator created by ChatGPT. The best part, the commentary is unedited, flowing straight from GPT, covering every moment of the football game.
All like a magician on the field, dodging 1, 2, 3, unstoppable. Look at him go. The crowd is roaring. Can you believe this? He's taken on the whole defense. He's a one-man show, ladies and gentlemen. He shoots. Goal! Messi, Messi, Messi! Unbelievable. What a goal. What a goal.
Sports commentators, you might have some competition now. But it's not just the sports. This technology can also do gaming commentary too. Take a listen and hear it for yourself.
T1 holding a slight gold lead over. As we hit the 18-minute mark, T1 has a slight lead with a 3K gold advantage and one turret in their favor against LNG. The vision game around the mid lane is intensifying as LNG's scout cautiously moves forward, potentially looking for a pick or to regain vision control.
Now let's talk business. ChatGPT is a game changer here. It can transform a basic rough draft into a fully functional website, complete with all the necessary code. And guess what? It can do all this in less than 5 hours. This is a massive advantage for both seasoned web developers and those who are new to coding. Imagine the time and effort saved. So, after showcasing the incredible advancement of ChatGPT and its ability to simplify our lives, you might be wondering, if it's so fantastic, why isn't it more widely integrated into our daily routines, work, or studies? Well, I believe there are a few reasons for this. First of all, remember that this technology is still pretty new. It only made its public debut last November. And yes, we've just seen the release of ChatGPT-4 Turbo this year, which shows some substantial advancements. But we're still in the early stages. However, the pace of development has been incredibly fast. Just think about the possibility in the next 6 to 12 months. Secondly, let's be honest, the tech side of this is still pretty complex. You've probably come across a lot of jargons like ChatGPTs or API assistants. For someone without a background in coding or computer science like myself, it can be quite a maze. It took me weeks just to understand the difference between ChatGPTs and API assistants. So it's safe to say that this technology isn't exactly common knowledge yet. Thirdly, and this is quite interesting, many people I know have tried ChatGPT and remarked that its response seemed pretty generic, not quite showcasing the AI's technology or intelligence. But here's the kicker, that's exactly why the role of prompt engineering exists. This job, emerging just about a year ago, can fetch a salary of $200K to $300K annually. Why? Because it all boils down to how you phrase your questions. This AI, being a sophisticated language model, responds based on your prompts. It can deliver either basic answers or incredibly insightful ones, depending on how skillful you ask. Mastering the art of crafting the right prompt is key to unlocking this technology's full potential. But it's not everyone's cup of tea. It really appeals to those deeply fascinated by this field. And lastly, there's a common belief that AI doesn't require any coding, which is part of why it's become so popular among the general public. But here's the catch. If you are looking to turn your innovative idea into a profitable venture using AI, a basic understanding of computer programming is essential. Skills in a language like Python or JavaScript are invaluable because you will need to integrate the AI's API with other software or apps. This integration is crucial to making the technology accessible and useful for everyday users and businesses. So while it's user-friendly, a little coding knowledge can go a long way. I hope you found this video valuable and enjoyable. If you're keen on staying up to date with the latest in AI technology and discovering practical ways of using it in your daily life and business, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. I'm on a learning journey myself, and I'm excited to share not only the latest trends, but also how this amazing technology can be applied in real life, far beyond just the cool, trendy stuff. In my next video, I'll be exploring various ways you can use ChatGPT to streamline your daily tasks, saving you both time and effort. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next week.